guys! So I bought a few things off BooHoo because they had a sale. Impulse buying, what can I say? Hey, better than impulse drug taking, okay? Family? Just remember that. The first pair I got is this pair of boots, and in my defense I did need a pair of boots to replace my old pair of boots that died quite a while ago. I never got a pair to replace them. I had a pair for about 4 years that I got from New Look, and I wore them religiously to like everything, and they just fell apart. Like the leather was pretty much a sock. I just think they look really cool. And then the actual sole is platform, so I'm taller without being in heels, and for a concert that is amazing. So these are now like my everyday slip-on, zip-up badass boots, and I am in love with them. They are called Yasmin Lace-Up Hiker Boot with Platform. I will link them down below if they're still online. I've never bought a set before, and I just wanted like a set. Like a really comfy set, and I needed a new pair of leggings because I lost my old pair and they had a hole in the crotch anyway. They were like 3 years old. So I needed a new pair of black leggings. It's a long sleeve black top with girl gang going down the sleeve like that, and then a matching pair of leggings, so just black leggings with girl gang going down the leg. If they look a bit like creased up and stuff, that's because I have worn them before I filmed this video. They're just so comfy. I don't know what the hell they're made of. Oh, they're from the Cotton Club. That's probably why they're so soft. The leggings feel like you're just free. Like there's nothing like, you know, your clothes are not holding you back. This is a good set. I love this set. Okay, so the second pair of shoes I got, these are something else. Oh my god. So they're like these little like, what do you even call these things? Oh. Baroque print, low block heel, Chelsea boot. They are stunning. They are absolutely stunning. Like, I think they're so gorgeous. I would love a suit to match these. Like if I can get a gold and black suit, I really want a gold and black suit, oh my god. The final pair of clothing that I got is this pair of leggings. I am a sucker for sparkly things, if you can't tell already. And these are black glittery leggings. Like, I hope this picks up on camera. These would be so nice on like a night out, just like any sort of light you walk past, you just start like glistening, like, hello, I am a star. I also got this little necklace. It's not really little at all, is it? It's one of those like layered necklaces, and I really like the look of layered necklaces, but now buying one and seeing it, I really hate them. Because all they do is this. And I don't know how to fucking get this shit fixed. Like, what the fuck is going on here? I can't wear this. Last item of this haul is without doubt the most extra cutest fucking thing I've ever bought in my life. Wow, I saw these quite a while ago and I was like, but look at them, they're so pretty. Am I so pretty? What the fuck? They're so fucking pretty. I'm just shook. No idea what to wear with them yet, but I'll figure that out later. But they're really nice. Quite a high heel, so definitely not something that, you know, you can really walk much in. But if you were going out to like, I don't know, dinner, where you just got to get to and fro the venue and then you just sat down, then yeah, perfect shoes for that. Even though I never go to dinner, but one day I will, and I'll wear these shoes. So that is everything I got from BooHoo this time, and I haven't looked on there since. It's dangerous for me to look. I'm ignoring all my emails now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out the other hauls I've done. I will link them. Well, they're here. You can see them. The magic of YouTube. Wow. So yeah, click on one of these if you want to, and subscribe. That's a thing you should do on YouTube. You should subscribe to me because, oh fuck, I'd be a really bad salesman, wouldn't I?